going to learn animals. Guys, they go to the step. Okay, stop. I should. You have to first do something. This is also this was surprise. Okay. Bird spell. Bird LP. Bird.
B-R.
BRNE. Bird RD. Bird. Do shopping play today. Okay. Which color do you want, kids? Hello guys, this is good. Hello guys, today go to playing shopping. Okay. Which color do you like? Which toy do you like? You want this one? Okay, take.
How much?
$5. $500. Give me money, $5. Give me money. Give me money. This guy do you like this one? Okay. Take. Take. Car. Broom broom. We can die like frog. Take all the toys. Take all the good toys. Take.
How to spell car, filho? C-A-R, car.
Pogiga. Hello guys, today we're going to do animal. Okay.